Ladies, welcome back to a new video. Early in the morning, I am drinking my chlorophyll water and I am getting ready for my hot girl walk. As you guys know, if you've been following my channel and me on social media, for the whole entire week, we are doing a 10,000 step daily walking challenge. So it's been really fun because I've been able to switch up my routine and do things differently. And it's just been also giving me a lot of time to be out in the sun and get some nature time and fresh air, which has been so incredible for my mental health. And also, you're gonna look good while doing it. So I like to look good on my hot girl walk. I think the most important thing we have to focus on is definitely what we're eating, what we're drinking. Definitely lots of water, stay hydrated so our skin looks plump and beautiful and glowy. And skincare. I have been using this product here. This is by SkinCeuticals. It's the Retinol 1.0 and it has been changing. Look at my skin, it is glowy. It has changed my skin dramatically. And so I highly recommend it. It is on the pricier side, but definitely when it comes to skincare and you want your skin to look good, and if you're 30 and above, definitely add a retinol cream to your daily routine. The next thing is, of course, SPF. I have so many different favorites. Today we're going to be using this one because I have so many different ones that I love. SkinCeuticals also has an SPF 50, and then It Cosmetics has Hello Sunshine in SPF 50 as well. Get your neck and your chest, but it's really hydrating and I love it. You know, it's just like glowy skin. The next thing that I wanted to focus on was the eyebrows, right? I like to keep them very minimal. I like to sometimes just kind of brush them up. I do have a lot of hair on my brows, so I don't really need a lot of like filling in. So I found this product on Amazon by Fine Threads Pro, and it's just like a brow freeze gel, right? So it's a clear product, and you just basically, you can take your finger and rub it across your whole eyebrow. Start with one, and then you just brush it up. Whoa, that gives me a really big eyebrow. And then I'm just going to run it across and then just press it down with my finger, and it gives me this dramatic looking brow. All right, so now I have my brows nice and combed and flat. The next thing that we're focusing on is a little bit of a skin tint. I have been raving about this for a few years now. It's by Dr. Jart and it's the BB cream. It's a beauty balm. It's a little bit tinted and it gives you, it also has SPF, but it gives you such a gorgeous glow and coverage to the skin. So this is definitely my must-have summer product, because it's very light in coverage, but you can definitely, you know, build it up. That's what I like about it, that you can wear this also for like nighttime glam. And then I do a little bit of concealer. This one is the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS. And I actually use one of these little sponges to just dab it. And then whatever's left over, I just blend around my nostrils just to make sure there's no redness. It's one of the new products that I just got sent over from Laneige, and this is their watermelon lip sleeping mask. Does anyone else just use it throughout the day? Because I do. Now we're gonna go into a bronzer from Bare Minerals, and this is one of their new products. It's an illuminator and a bronzer in one, and I'm obsessed with these for your everyday makeup. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna take a small round brush, start placing the bronzer where I want it. I'm going back in with this really gorgeous brush from It Cosmetics. I don't know if they still have it available, but it does have a little bit of that BB cream. So it's gonna help with the blending and just make sure you blend it into the hairline so everything is seamless. So on top of that, I'm actually going to add the blush illuminator also from Bare Minerals. I'm also going to just apply to the back of my hand. And these formulas are so incredible because they have also like a built-in highlighter, and the bronzer actually had a blush, you know? So this one is gonna give you some highlight to the cheek like that. So we're gonna, you know, keep that glow going, but it's also adding a little bit of pink. Honestly guys, I actually need a new mascara This one is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is time for me to go to the drugstore and pick up a new mascara because I've been using this one for I think a little bit longer than I need to, and the last thing that I want is to get an eye infection, even though it's been, you know, it's mine, but that's one thing I don't play around with. As a matter of fact, I think I might stop by the drugstore today to pick up a new one. So if you guys have any recommendations from the drugstore for mascara, let me know in the comment section because I haven't been to the drugstore in forever for makeup. The next thing that I'm going to go in is on my lips. Usually this is the last step, but I wanted to show you guys this really cool new lip gloss that I've been loving. It's by Maybelline Plum, and it actually has chili pepper in it, which is really interesting because I remember the first time that I put this on, I felt like I just ate a chili pepper. So if you're not into that, don't get this, but if you are and you don't mind, it just gives you a little bit of a sting, which does go away. And I think that's what adds to the plumbing effect of your lips. And I really like this color, guys. I'll link it down below. But it's a really, I mean, it looks really red, but it's more of a, like a natural color to the lip, you know? Like a nice little red. Next, I'm gonna take a pressed powder, and I'm gonna take this little triangle sponge, and I'm just gonna go in here, and I'm just going to dab my face just a little bit to mattify it, especially because we are using, you know, we're not using a lot of products that are powder based, and we want this to also last and not transfer. So adding a foundation powder on top of that, or just a translucent powder, is really gonna help, especially around your nostrils, the T-zone. You can see it just makes a big difference. And then to brighten up under my eyes, I'm using this Cali Contour palette from Smashbox, and it has this really awesome yellow-ish powder that is perfect for brightening up under your eyes, and it also mattifies this area just a little bit. But this is my favorite color. I'm gonna go look and see if they actually just sell it by itself, because this is the one that I use every single day, because it really does brighten up underneath your eyes, especially if you don't use a lot of concealer. This is really great for that summertime look. So we're going to use this product from Lime Crime. It's their freckle pen, and this one I absolutely love. Color that I got, if you're like my similar complexion, is called Mocha, and you just, you know, just add a few dots all over your face, across your nose. Let's add a little bit more pink blush. This one is from Flower Beauty. It's the Flower Pot. Last but not least, we are gonna go into the skin because I am showing a lot of skin, and this is a new product that I just picked up from Amazon, and it is one of my favorite summer products because it's an SPF, and it also gives your skin a glow. But I also love using just an SPF first, and then I'll go in with the glow. So this one is like a 2-in-1. But I highly recommend that you actually put on some legitimate sunscreen. And you guys know I just went to the event of One Skin Beauty, and so they have their body SPF. Rub it on my hands, and I'm gonna put this all over my arms and my chest. So there we have our One Skin sunscreen on. Step number 1, make sure you don't forget the back of your hands also when you're putting on sunscreen, because this is where we start to develop a lot of dark spots, especially if you have brown skin. You know, manchas start popping up right here, guys. So now I want to show you this Kopari Rose Gold Sun Shield Body Glow SPF 45. Oh my gosh, this is like my summer favorite, guys, because it is such a gorgeous product, and it gives your body like a glow and protection all in one. And I am obsessed with this, like obsessed. You know, because when you're wearing your summer dresses, your tank tops, your shorts, you want that skin to look dewy and glowy and healthy and nourished and just beautiful. And it does have a nice scent also, so it's gonna be really nice. And it's gonna look really good also because our face makeup is not mattified, you know, so it's not gonna be this matte face with this glowy body. It's all going to make sense. And then last but not least, we are going to add a perfume. I just picked this one up also from Amazon. It is the Vacation by Vacation scent, and it's been on my cart for a really long time. And I was like, because it is a little bit on the pricier side when it comes to perfumes, but this is the scent of the world famous Vacation sunscreen. And oh my gosh, let's put it on first. Okay, so you know what it smells like? It smells like I am on vacation. It smells like I am in Hawaii. It just has that scent. Only one spray is all you need, but it smells like vanilla, coconut. It's just such a beautiful scent, guys. But I like to spray this on as the last thing that I do when I'm getting ready for the day. And I am basically summer ready. This is my summer glam. I smell like summer. My hair is nice and slicked back, which has been my go-to look. And I also have these gorgeous earrings that have a mermaid tail and a few crystals in the middle, kind of like just colorful crystals, but they are so gorgeous. But I bought these for our cacao ceremony this weekend that I'm hosting in Malibu. So anyways, ladies, I'm gonna link everything down below just like I mentioned. I hope you're all having a beautiful start to your summer and that you take some time to get healthier, go outside, get some sunshine, plan some activities, just enjoy your life and have fun, all right? Make it a priority to have some joy and have fun and explore and see the world and just go out of your day-to-day routine, find ways to bring some joy back into your daily routine. So with that being said, have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you guys in our next video.